I want to specify. Uh, okay, so basically the chapter, the subject is social media and digital marketing, and we are in this semester that we have already covered some basic questions. Now we are starting with the online session from today onwards. Okay, so uh, there are basically chapter number 1 which was been there in your syllabus, that specifies introduction to social media. We have already covered introduction to social media. We have also gone to the types of social medias. You need to be very precise about the types of social media which are available over there. Rules of social media in marketing we have already covered. Goals and strategies as far as the social media is concerned. So we have covered this all part into your chapter number 1. Now in chapter number 2 onwards, we have started with introduction to digital marketing. Now social media is somewhat different. Now we are moving towards the digital marketing. Now in this we have already covered what is exactly the digital marketing, how it is different from the traditional marketing. Then we have gone through the ROI, that is return on investment, between the digital marketing and traditional marketing. So ROI calculations we have done with different formulas are there. We have also covered those formulas in the sessions. Then we have also talked about the digital marketing and e-commerce. Digital marketing and e-commerce. Am I audible to everybody? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
we have talked about that there are 19 different ways, the new trends in digital marketing. So that is also been covered into the chapter number 2. Then we have also moved further for the strategies for digital marketing, that is SWOT analysis of business, how the analysis, the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats are being calculated. SWOT analysis for any business, strength, weakness, opportunity and threats are being maintained. Then we have also talked about the media and promotional plans, how the planning has been done, and we have also gone for the online reputation management. So up till now we have already covered with chapter 1, chapter 2. Then in the last week we have covered the tools of social media and digital marketing, the tools which are available. We need to work out on these tools. The Facebook marketing, whether it is the email marketing, we have gone through the pros and cons also in the previous session. WordPress, how blogs are being created, then the Twitter marketing, how it is being maintained, what are the pros and cons of Twitter marketing, then LinkedIn marketing, how the professional things can be what we call as circulated on a LinkedIn using marketing strategies. Then we have also talked about the Google Plus. Basically, it is not used in India, but it is one of the biggest product which is being used because it has its own search engine allocated with the Google Plus. So this is one more US based, the marketing is basically promoting Google Plus and Facebook. So this is one more thing, that is Pinterest. We have also talked on Pinterest, how it is working in digital marketing. Then Instagram, and finally we have ended up in those session about the Google Analytics. Okay. So this was the chapter number 3. We have already covered the theory part. I will be sharing the notes of these 3 chapters with you immediately after this. So you need to be prepared with this 3, what do you call as your question, what do you call as chapters. Now only 2 chapters are remaining as far as the subject is concerned, the 4th number chapter and the 5th one. So we have already started with 4th number chapter, and there are some basic things we need to work on the online page, that is search engine optimization and on page optimization. So what is exactly the search engine? Can anyone brief me about what is exactly the search engine and how it works? Yes, I'm expecting some answer from the people who are already working in the digital marketing platform, like Dhanasri and all. Uh, yes, Dhanasri.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, yes. 1 minute, sir.
Okay. You can share your screen also, Dhanasri, if you are working with digital marketing, how you are promoting everything with the different tools. If you have created any pages, you can share, because I am expecting the students who are in the class just not to sit in the class. Your intention is digital marketing. Theoretical concept will be clear from my side, but practically I am expecting output from your side. Dhanasri, Pradnya.
Okay.
Okay, so you share me a screen. You elaborate what you have done as far as the digital marketing is concerned, whether it is Facebook marketing or Instagram marketing, because your practical session will be based on this only. Yes,
Okay.
yes, you can share, Dhanashree.
सर मी स्क्रीन शेअर करू का
Yes,
फेसबुक पेज वगैरे.
yes, you can share. I am stopping my sharing screen,
ओके.
and you can share it. Yes, Dhanashree.
येस सर 1 मिनिट.
Okay. शंकर निर्मल, यू हॅव टू बी व्हेरी प्रिसाइज. लेक्चरला तो येत नाही. हम्म? तू आलाच नाही, 1 वर्ष झाले. तुला काय करतोस मलाच कळणार. शंकर, आर यू देर? शंकर, or shall I remove you from the class now? Shankar Nirmal. Pradnya, are you there? Unmute and you can speak.
येस सर.
Okay. शंकर,
हा सर.
तू झोपला होता का इतक्या वेळ?
नाही.
मग ते चालणार नाही. मी पहिलं सांगतोय, माझ्या लेक्चरमध्ये तुम्हाला जर अटेंडन्स नसेल, मला अटेंडन्ससाठी बिलकुल क्लासमध्ये यायचं नाही. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बी, यू हॅव टू बी इन द क्लास.
नाही.
हॅलो सर,
Yes, yes.
स्क्रीन दिसतीये.
Yes, it is visible. Yes.
सर हा चॅम्पियन न्यूट्रिशन
Ah,
हा एक क्लायंट आहे माझा. ते काही डाएट प्लॅन्स किंवा वर्कआउट प्लॅन्स वगैरे जे असतात ते शेअर करतात.
okay.
तर असं त्यांचं एक फेसबुक पेज आम्ही क्रिएट केलेलं आहे.
Okay.
फेसबुक पेज आपण इकडनं क्रिएट करू शकतो. क्रिएट पेज म्हणून ऑप्शन आहे इकडे पेज.
How to?
इकडनं आपण पेज क्रिएट करू शकतो.
Okay.
त्यानंतर सर कुठलं पण पेज जर असेल तर आपल्याला पहिले एखाद्या प्रॉडक्टची ब्रँडिंग जर करायची आहे तर फर्स्ट आहे की आपल्याला त्या प्रॉडक्ट बद्दल अवेअरनेस जनरेट करावं लागतं. डायरेक्टली आपण पेड करू शकत नाही. पेडचे पण रिझल्ट आहेत, बट आपल्याला आधी ऑर्गॅनिक पण करावं लागतं. त्यासाठी डेली पोस्टिंग ही मॅन्डेटरी असते. डेली पोस्टिंग आपल्याला करावी लागते. त्यामध्ये आपण हॅशटॅग वगैरे यूज करू शकतो. त्यामुळे आपण आपले जे टार्गेटेड ऑडियन्स आहेत की जे वेट लॉस सर्च करतायत किंवा वेट लॉस जर्नी, फॅट लॉस वगैरे सर्च करतायत, त्यांनी ते सर्च केल्यानंतर त्यांना आपलं पेज दिसेल आणि त्याने आपल्या पेजवरती ट्रॅफिक वाढेल. यासाठी आपण हे हॅशटॅग वगैरे यूज करत असतो. पोस्ट मध्ये कुठली पण पोस्ट केली तर
Okay.
ही डेली पोस्ट केली तर आपलं अवेअरनेस जे आहे आपल्या प्रॉडक्ट बद्दल ते जास्तीत जास्त लोकांबद्दल पर्यंत पोहोचू शकतो आपण
Okay.
या थ्रू. त्यानंतर पेज क्रिएट केलंय, आपल्याला आपल्या पेजवरती ट्रॅफिक जनरेट करायची. तर त्यानंतर इथे या 3 डॉट्स मध्ये एक ऑप्शन असतो इन्व्हाइट फ्रेंड्स. आपण इन्व्हाइट फ्रेंड्स वरती गेल्यानंतर आपले जे फ्रेंड्स आहेत ऑलरेडी आपल्याला ऍड आहेत, यांना आपण फ्रेंड इन्व्हिटेशन रिक्वेस्ट पण शेअर करू शकतो.
Okay.
त्यानंतर इथे जर तुम्ही फक्त 50 जणांना जर सिलेक्ट केलं आणि इथे एक ऑप्शन आहे ऑल्सो सेंड इच इन्व्हिटेशन ऑन मेसेंजर. तर ऑब्विस आहे की सगळेजण नोटिफिकेशन पाहतीलच असं नाही. जर तुम्ही फक्त सिलेक्ट केलं आणि सेंड इन्व्हिटेशन केलं तर त्यांना फक्त नोटिफिकेशन जाईल. बट तुम्ही इथे क्लिक केलं ऑल्सो सेंड इच इन्व्हिटेशन ऑन मेसेंजर, तर त्यांना मेसेंजर मध्ये पण तो मेसेज जाईल
ओके. हां हां हां.
की स्नेहल कडू इन्व्हाइट टू लाईक पेज असं. तर मग ह्याने आपण ट्रॅफिक वगैरे आपली जी आहे ती इन्क्रीज करू शकतो. त्यानंतर इथे आपण आपल्या पेजचे इनसाइट्स पाहू शकतो. लास्ट 28 डेजच्या इनसाइट्स आहेत. माझ्या पेजवरती किती जण रीच झालेत, म्हणजे किती जणांपर्यंत माझी पोस्ट पोहोचली आहे, एंगेजमेंट किती आहेत, पेज रीच किती आहेत.
ओके.
त्यानंतर आपण इथे जर क्लिक केलं तर लास्ट 7 डेज किंवा यस्टरडे वगैरे हे पण पाहू शकतो. त्यानंतर जर सपोज आपल्याला शेड्यूल वगैरे करायचे आहेत, तर आपल्याला आपलं जे फेसबुकचं पेज आहे इंस्टाग्राम सोबत लिंक करावं लागतं. त्यानंतर इथे एक ऑप्शन होता गो टू बिझनेस साईट, बिझनेस सूट, यावरती आपण क्लिक केलं. आपण जर आपलं पेज फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम सोबत जर कनेक्ट केलंय तर इथे अशी स्क्रीन येईल आपल्याला बिझनेस सूट वरती गेल्यानंतर. इथे आपण पोस्ट जी आहे ती आपली पोस्ट क्रिएट करू शकतो. आपल्याला इंस्टाग्राम वरती जाऊन वेगळी पोस्ट करायची काही गरज नाहीये. आपण डायरेक्टली बिझनेस सूट वरनं पण करू शकतो.
कुठे बिझनेस सूट?
इथे गेलो आपण.
स्क्रीन हँग झाली का तुझी?
ओके सर, हे बिझनेस स्क्रीन डिस्प्ले होत नाहीये का सर?
नाही होत.
पेज दिसते सर तुम्हाला इथे?
हां, आता तू शेअरिंग मध्ये तू हां हां. येस, आता दिसते, विजिबल आहे स्क्रीन. येस
ओके, दिसतंय सर?
येस.
ओके
ते
सर, इथे एक ऑप्शन आहे गो टू बिझनेस सूट म्हणून.
ओके.
येस, इथे एक ऑप्शन आहे सर, दिसतोय गो टू बिझनेस सूट म्हणून.
त्याला कुठे?
ऍक्सेस ऑल युअर बिझनेस
ओके.
टूल्स
येस
इन
येस, गो
वन
टू
प्लेस.
बिझनेस सूट. येस येस. हां, क्लिक इट.
येस, इथे क्लिक केलं सर मी. त्यानंतर मी बिझनेस सूट वरती आले इथे. तर मी माझं जे पेज आहे ते ऑलरेडी माझं जे इंस्टाग्रामचं अकाउंट आहे त्यासोबत कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे.
ओके.
त्यानंतर सपोज मला एखादी पोस्ट करायची आहे,
ओके.
ती मला फेसबुक वरती पण करायची आणि त्यानंतर इन्स्टा वरती करायची. त्यापेक्षा हे बिझनेस सूट एक ऑप्शन आहे बेस की ह्याद्वारे मी दोन्ही पण प्लॅटफॉर्म वरती ऍट अ टाइम पोस्ट करू शकते.
ओके.
त्यानंतर इथे क्लिक करायचं, आपल्याला दोन्ही पेजेस सिलेक्ट करायचे. आपण इथे काहीतरी टेक्स्ट टाकणार, आपल्याला जे टेक्स्ट टाकायचे ते.
ओके.
त्यानंतर ऍड मीडिया करणार, लोकेशन ऍड करता येतं आपल्याला. आपण इथे पाहू शकतो की फेसबुक वरती माझी पोस्ट कशी दिसणार आहे आणि इंस्टाग्राम वरती कशी दिसणार आहे.
ओके.
त्यानंतर इथे एक ऑप्शन असतो, आपण पोस्ट शेड्युलिंग वगैरे, आपल्याला फेसबुक कॅलेंडर पण होतं, कॅलेंडर वगैरे क्रिएट करायचं होतं. त्यानंतर आपण इकडे पब्लिशचा एक ऑप्शन आहे आणि शेड्यूलचा एक ऑप्शन आहे. आपण एखाद्या डेट साठी आपली पोस्ट शेड्यूल पण करू शकतो. डेट प्लस टाइम, कुठल्या टाइमला आपली पोस्ट आपल्याला शेड्यूल करायची आहे, आपण पोस्ट शेड्यूल पण करू शकतो. आणि जे इनसाइट्स आहेत युअर गोल्स मध्ये, इंस्टाग्रामचा किती रीच आहे, फेसबुकचा किती रीच आहे, हे सगळं आपल्याला इकडे दिसतं. ऑडियन्स किती आहेत इंस्टाग्रामला वगैरे. त्यानंतर माझ्या इकडे रिसेंट पोस्ट ज्या आहेत त्या पोस्टचा रीच वगैरे काय आहे ते सगळं दिसते इकडे.
तर उद्याचं सेशन आपण असं ठेवू, स्टार्ट पासून आपण एक नाही का IBM साठी एक पेज.
हा सर.
एक डेटा धनश्री उद्या.
ओके सर, चालेल.
ओके, विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैप फ्रॉम टुमारो. ओके, तो थ्योरेटिकल प्रैक्टिकली इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे हम हाफ एन आवर, and
Okay, sir.
on the same parameter we'll have a theoretical concept also how it has been implemented. Okay, so the concept will be clear to everybody. As
Okay,
far
sir.
as Facebook, now you are working with which type of platforms, whether it is Facebook or Instagram?
सर, फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम.
And you are not working with
Both.
LinkedIn?
यस सर, लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर.
सभी अकाउंट के साथ आप वर्कआउट करते हैं. सो प्रैक्टिकली विल हैव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ ऑल द सेशन,
Yes, sir.
so that other people actually you are working in with those
Okay, sir.
concepts. So you are actually a professional in this section. I think from last 1 year you are working with this digital marketing. So we are expecting that the same should be implemented by
Yes,
Pradnya,
sir.
everybody. Jnaneshwari, you are also working with digital marketing, na? Yes, Jnaneshwari.
Yes, sir.
ज्ञानेश्वरी नाही आलेली आज, मला वाटतं ज्ञानेश्वरच आहे आज. सो विल आस्क ज्ञानेश्वरी ऑल्सो टू शेअर सम
हो.
कंटेंट so that everyone will be getting what is exactly digital marketing. Shankar, you please mute. Shankar, mute yourself.
हाँ सर. हाँ सर. हेलो.
Yes, yes, mute कर तुला, mute कर. Okay. So today, just the brief I want to specify as far as this is concerned, because we have already gone through the Facebook marketing, email marketing. What is expected in this chapter is that you should be very much familiar with the tools which are available for creating the Facebook pages, or for adding some creation or promoting the tools. Basic intention of chapter number 3 was only we need to create those pages, actually how it has been working. Okay, now chapter number 4 we will be talking about what is exactly the search engine is, and on that same platform we will be talking about the bot and spiders and everything. Okay, so shall I move for the chapter number 4 now again, because already we have covered this part up till the some section, but are you expecting something that like this we need to cover again for chapter number 4? I want a reply from you all. Yes, shall I start with chapter number 4?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, Rushikesh. What about the Dhanasri? Yes, shall I
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, so we'll start with chapter number 4. Now these are the keywords. I will be sharing the notes also. So what is exactly the search engine is? Can anyone tell me what is exactly the search engine is? Anything you know about search engine? How it works exactly? No one? Shall I explain? Okay. Now see, whenever we are working with any search engine, basically three things are done with the search engine. You have to very precise about the search engine working profile. So three things. First one will be the crawling. Now what is exactly the crawling? So whenever any new page, any new website is being created, so मैंने उस दिन भी बताया था कि whenever you are hosting a website there are search engines. The search engine is something another part, but you have a server on which you host your website. So crawling is one of the techniques where Google itself is searching what all new pages, what all new data which has been added or uploaded on a server. So the thing is that this programming in Google that is searching for new pages, the programming in URL in Google that is searching for new URL, new pages, new images is called as a crawling. So this is the one thing that has been done as far as the search engine is concerned. So once it is identified, एक बार उसको pages समझ में आया कि नया page है, नई website है, सब कुछ, it will be moving for the second thing, that is indexing. ना इंडेक्सिंग मतलब क्या, जो भी पेज आपके पास है वो सब की इंडेक्सिंग करना वो चालू करेंगे. इंडेक्सिंग मतलब क्या, जैसे मैंने पिछली बार भी एग्जांपल दिया था कि वेन एवर एनीथिंग इज एडेड इनटू योर, सपोज वी आर कंसिडर बिग वेयर हाउस, बड़े वेयर हाउस में हम काम कर रहे हैं, और वेयर हाउस में जब भी कुछ चीज़ें आती है तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट इज़ बिन इंडेक्स्ड कि आपके पास कौन सी चीज़ आ चुकी है. बराबर है कि नहीं? यस, एवरीवन गेटिंग? यस, एवरीवन इज गेटिंग व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली? वी आर इन द वेयर हाउस.
Yes.
बड़े वेयर हाउस में हमने कुछ चीज़ें लाई है, तो हमने वो स्टोर करके तो रखी है, बट उसके पता चाहिए ना हमने कौन सी चीज़ हमारे पास है, कब लाई हमने, और हमने उस चीज़ को कहाँ पर रखा है, हमारे वेयर हाउस के अंदर है या फिर आपके स्टोर के अंदर. सेम थिंग इज डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ टेक्निक कॉल्ड एज इंडेक्सिंग इन योर गूगल सर्च इंजन. वंस द क्रॉलिंग, वंस यू हैव सर्च द न्यू पेज, न्यू वेबसाइट, डेली जो भी कुछ हो जाएगा दैट विल बी इंडेक्स्ड, indexing will be maintained, and after indexing, the third most important task done by the search engine is you're serving a search result. You are serving search result means what? Any user whenever he put anything on a keyword, कुछ भी नया कीवर्ड उसने अगर डाल दिया सर्च इंजन में, so automatically that keyword will be matched with the indexes, and based on that the page which you have crawled which will be moved in the format of systematic link in front of you screen के अंदर. So तीन ही काम होते हैं गूगल सर्च इंजन में. वन, crawling means searching for the new pages. Second one, जिसको सर्च किया आपको उसको systematically indexing करना है. And third thing is that after indexing you have to serve the page result whenever the user is searching on your PC, from your PC or from your desktop or from your phone, is been done with the serving search result. Is it clear to you the basic working of Google search engine, like, or any search engine like Google? Yes, is it clear to you? Only three operations are been done:
Yes, sir.
crawling, indexing, and result, providing the result whenever you are putting any keyword into your search bar. Is it clear to everybody? So this is the basic operations of search engine. Okay, now second one, the bots and spiders. Can anyone know what is exactly bot and what is exactly the spider is? Yes. Yes, anyone knows what is bot and what is spider? Yes, I want to reply from you all. Bots.
सर जो क्रॉलिंग होती है वो क्रॉलर जो होता है या बॉट कह सकते हैं हम उसे,
Yes.
वो हमारे पेजेस जो है वो क्रॉल करता है और गूगल के डेटाबेस में हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर करके रखता है. यानी कि जब कोई भी होगा हमारा पेज सर्च करेगा तो उसे वो पेज दिखेगा. और ये जो है सर हम लोग चेक भी कर सकते हैं या हमारी लास्ट क्रॉलिंग कब हुई है हमारी वेबसाइट की या हमारे पेज की.
कैसे करते हैं सर्च? धनश्री, एनी आइडिया?
सर स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करते हो क्या आप एक बार, या मैं करके एक सेकंड मैं करती हूँ सर.
You can share your
बताती
screen.
हूँ.
Yes, yes, you share your screen so that other can understand practically. So what is exactly crawling? Everyone is getting that. The Dhanashree is showing us how this crawling has been done. So if you create any new page, whether it is a Facebook page or anything new, so automatically it will be moved for the crawling. So they see we have entered into the ibmrd.org page, and into this,
यस सर.
yes,
सर हमारी ये वेबसाइट है हमारे कॉलेज की. अब इस वेबसाइट की लास्ट क्रॉलिंग कब हुई है ये हम लोग चेक कर सकते हैं. सिंपली हमें इसके आगे जो है IBM ID के आगे www के आगे CACHE कैचे कोलन डालना है और हमें एंटर करना है. यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा कि गूगल कैचे स्नैपशॉट 9 जैन, यानी कि कल 6:48 को हमारी जो वेबसाइट है वो क्रॉल की है गूगल ने.
okay, it has searched for the keywords and new thing what has been updated on that one. Yes, automatically it has been done.
Yes, sir.
Now this has been done with the bot. Now what is the syntax you have put it in before the website? You
Okay.
just
सर कैचे कोलन. ओके.
you just type it on a browser so that other can understand how to check the in what you call crawling, how to check a crawling for any website. So it is
ओके सर सिंपली यहाँ पे जो www.ibmrd.org है उसके आगे हमें CACHE यानी कि कैचे और कोलन जो डबल डॉट होते हैं
no
वो
colon.
हमें डालने हैं. Yes. और
See,
सिर्फ
see all students,
enter
it is not
करना है.
semicolon, it is colon, only 2 dots. Automatically it will be showing us
dots.
so it will be showing at the top. You will just see at the top at what time it has been crawled. Now crawl means what? The bot programming that I have specified here, the bot programming will be bot and spiders. Is this Dhanashree, can you elaborate? Is this done by the bots also or by spiders?
सर स्पाइडर बॉट और क्रॉलर सभी एक ही है.
Yes, yes. All the three things are only for the purpose of crawling. Crawling means what?
Yes, sir.
Searching new thing, what is their new keywords, or you have added any word text contain, or you have added. Now see, this is only one website. We have not asked Google to search it. Google himself is searching for this type of pages. There is no program. This is automated program. I am again specifying the bots and all those things are automated programs. Now I'm searching, sharing my screen. Now see, bots and spiders. Bots and spider, these are the type of programming. We call it as a crawling. Now these two things are only being required for the crawling, purpose of crawling. So crawling means what? A Google search the web with automated program. Now seeing this is called as automated program. You are not, there is no specific person who will doing this programming. This is automatic generated program. We call it as a crawlers. We call it as crawlers. We are looking for the new pages. Now see what is exactly it is doing. It is looking for the pages that has new or which has been updated. So any new page or anything which is updated on your website, the Google will be searching for those URLs in a big list, and it will be later it will be maintained in the format of indexes. So basically crawling is the most important and very precise work automatically done with the help of programming. We call this programming as called as the bots and spiders. So I think everyone is clear. This is auto generated. I again want to say you that this is automated program. There is no manual interaction, automatically this is what I call as a heart of any search engine, that is you need to have a crawlers. So crawler means you are searching something new, something updated in your सिस्टम एनीवेयर वेन एवर देर इज अ सर्च, यानी ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि गूगल कहाँ से सर्च करता है, इट इज़ ऑल यू आर होस्टिंग योर वेबसाइट ऑन सम सर्वर, सो इट इज़ ऑलवेज पिंचिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन दैट सर्वर, सो जस्ट लाइक godaddy.com. So you see this is again a server where you will find it will be searching. So there is no need for him to search what is exactly IBM-RD, but it is IBM-RD we have already hosted on some server. So server will be monitored by these crawlers, and this crawler monitoring will be done by the two types of programming called as a bots and spider. Is it clear to everybody? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you explain again?
Regarding bots and spider or regarding crawling?
Spider.
Okay.
Means what is exactly meaning and what is use or
No, just
exact use?
we have, I think you have already covered with the programming like C programming, Java programming. Okay. ये जो प्रोग्रामिंग होती है जो हम करते हैं, दिस इज रिगार्डिंग द एप्लीकेशंस. ओके, तो हम सी प्रोग्रामिंग, जावा प्रोग्रामिंग एंड सी प्लस प्लस प्रोग्रामिंग से हम कोई एप्लीकेशंस बनाते. तो हमारा पाइथन हो सकता है, कल ऑल कोई प्रोग्रामिंग, पीएचपी हो सकता है, या एएसपी हो सकता है, जेएसपी हो सकता है. इट इज प्रोग्रामिंग, यू आर क्रिएटिंग एप्लीकेशन. बट वेन एवर यू आर वर्किंग ऑन अ सर्च इंजिन, द टेक्निक्स इज नॉट यूज्ड. यानी आप वहाँ पर जावा प्रोग्रामिंग, सी शार्प या फिर जावा उस तरीके की प्रोग्रामिंग वहाँ पर यूज़ नहीं की जाती, वहाँ पर अलग तरीके की प्रोग्रामिंग की जाती, बिकॉज द वर्क इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली योर वर्क? गूगल सर्च इंजन का काम होता है, उसकी एक छोटी सी विंडो है, देखो इट हैज़ ओनली टूल बार, वन स्मॉल एड्रेस बार, और उसके अंदर आप जो भी डालेंगे उस चीज़ को, कीवर्ड को समझ कर लेंगे वो, एंड दैट इज बीन सर्च ऑन अ सर्वर. सो द थिंग इज कॉल्ड एज अ क्रॉलिंग. क्रॉलिंग मतलब क्या? आपने कोई वेबसाइट नहीं बना दी और आपने उसको होस्ट कर दिया. आप ऐसे कभी नहीं कर सकते कि यू हैव क्रिएटेड अ वेबसाइट एंड यू हैव होस्टेड विदाउट एनी सर्वर, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. सो आपको कुछ तो भी स्पेस लेना पड़ता है सर्वर के ऊपर, और वहाँ पर जाके आप उस वेबसाइट को होस्ट कर देते. नाउ व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली डन बाय दिस गूगल सर्च इंजन इज दैट the code, there is a programming that will be searching what is new being added into server, what is any updation which is done in the server, everything has been monitored by the technique called as a crawling. और crawling करने के लिए एक अलग तरीके की प्रोग्रामिंग होती है. दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग वी कॉल्ड इट एज बॉट्स. बॉट्स मतलब क्या? बॉट, नई चीज़ कुछ भी बॉट हो गई क्या, वी आर बॉटिंग ब्रिंगिंग इट इनटू द सर्वर फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ वन थिंग, दैट इज इंडेक्सिंग. हम ये सर्च क्यों कर रहे हैं? सिर्फ सर्च नहीं कर रहे, हम उसको इंडेक्सिंग भी कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो हम बॉट एंड स्पाइडर प्रोग्रामिंग इज ओनली डन फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ क्रॉलिंग. क्रॉलिंग मतलब क्या? आपके पूरे सर्वर में कितने सारे सर्वर है, सभी सर्वर में कोई नया पेज आया है क्या, कोई नई इमेज आई है क्या, कोई नया अपडेशन हुआ है क्या कोई वेबसाइट में, एवरीथिंग इज मेंटेन ऑटोमेटिकली 24/7 वर्क इज बीन डन, एंड द प्रोग्रामिंग विच इज वर्किंग बिहाइंड दिस इज नथिंग बट योर बॉट्स एंड स्पाइडर्स. This programming is somewhat different. This goes on algorithm. This is assembly level programming, not like application like you have done in with Java or C++. इस तरीके की प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं होती, ये अलग तरीके की प्रोग्रामिंग होती है जहाँ पर हम इंडेक्स, हम कोई कीवर्ड को लेके सर्च करते हैं, हम यानी कोई अपडेशंस के ऊपर सर्च करते हैं. द प्रोग्रामिंग वी कॉल इट एज बॉट एंड स्पाइडर. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीबडी? The programming called as a bot and spider. There is no other programming done in Google. There is only one type of programming is done. That is, you need to write a bots or your new specific. कोई भी प्रोग्रामर अगर अच्छा बॉट लिखता है, अच्छा बॉट मतलब क्या? अच्छा एप्लीकेशन, जो कोई नया एप्लीकेशन, नया कुछ यूआरएल पे कुछ अपडेट हुआ, उसको वो सर्च कर सकता है, भले वो इमेज हो, वॉइस हो, ऑडियो हो, कुछ भी हो जाए. अगर आपने ऐसा कुछ प्रोग्राम लिखा है, वी कॉल इट एज अ बॉट. अगर जितना एफिशिएंट आपका बॉट है, उतना सर्च इंजन विल बी डूइंग इट्स इंडेक्सिंग, एंड इट उतना एफिशिएंटली आपका कोई भी कीवर्ड आप डालोगे, वो उसको सर्च करके आपके सामने आउटपुट में लाएगा. Is it clear to you everybody? The programming called as a bot and spider. Yes, Rishikesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see, this programming is not like Java programming. Bot programming is somewhat different. You can search it on Google, you can search it on how this code has been written. Basically Python like programming is been used. Scripted language are used. The language which can execute on a browser, that type of language are used. Okay, so whenever you are putting any hashtag, और whenever you are putting anything like uploading an image, so जैसे धनश्री ने शेयर किया था, so धनश्री, can you share again this page that you have created of your?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm stopping my sharing, and you just show the student the hashtag of your Facebook page so that everyone will understand. So what is the intention of using hashtag? So hashtag is one of the keyword which has been first invented in Twitter. Twitter has invented this hashtag, and now you will see this type of hashtag. You will be specified on your Facebook also, Insta also, any new social media platforms which are available. You will find there is a hashtag. Now see, the industry has shown that there is a champion nutrition. So she has created a web page for champion nutrition, her client, and here it she has already shared some hashtags for that. Just click any hashtag, Dhanasri. Yes,
Okay.
weight loss. So whenever any person click on this weight loss, you will see the post which are related to the what you call as a weight loss will be coming automatically at one behalf the another. Automatically it will be created. So it is always been done by any celebrity or any person. If you are promoting yourself, you are putting hashtag, because this is very fast searching, what do you call as a keyword. Hashtag is one of the keyword which is created, which will be integrating different pages. यानी सिर्फ वेट लॉस, जैसे धनश्री ने दिखाया, माया थोरात जो नाम की कोई कैंडिडेट है, यूजर है, तो उन्होंने वेट लॉस लिखा है, देखो हैशटैग इट इज शोइंग इन द ब्लू कलर. दिस कीवर्ड विल बी इंटीग्रेटिंग मल्टीपल पेजेस विद द सेम नेम. जिसने जिसने उसके पेज में हैशटैग वेट लॉस लिखा है, वो सभी पेजेस हमारे सामने आना दिखना चालू हो जाएंगे. So this hashtag is the fastest mode of integrating different pages, different options, and this is basically done by your what do you call it as a search engine. So किस तरीके से एक दूसरे को इंटीग्रेट करना है, वेट लॉस को किस तरीके से एक साथ लाना है, वही इमेजेस को, दिस हैज बीन डन बाय दिस हैशटैग. So it is always recommended. हर बार डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में मेरे ख्याल से धनश्री यू नो, whenever you are creating any page, it is always written, it is always expected that you should write a hashtag.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the only way. Second thing is that if you are creating any website, you want to make it more precise, you have to use some keywords into title bar or in your description box tags. Title tag, description tag, this type of tags are there where you can upload keywords. So the keywords will be helping us to search something. So Google search engine will be searching for those keywords. Same here Google has done. This is Facebook has done now, for because you are using Facebook.
Yes,
So
sir.
Facebook is working for like a search engine here over here. So hashtag weight loss will be searching all pages that will having some keyword like a weight loss. So all pages will be in front of you. Now you can, because your intention is to go for weight loss, so that's why it is very precise. The search, but the person who is using this Facebook will be very much will be delighted, because he is getting all information just by putting one keyword in front of him. So this is the basic intention, and on the same parameter I am searching my screen now. Dhanasri, shall I share? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am sharing my screen, the theoretical concept again. So this crawling is done with the help of programming called as a bot and spider. You can go into detail how this has been run, how this code is been executed. It's just for your information, but I want to specify it is always done with the programming like a scripting language like JavaScript. Google Analytics, this is separate. Nowadays people are moving towards the Google Analytics. This is a special course. I have already recommended some student that if you want to go for digital marketing, it is always be precise for the Google Analytics. There are different courses of Google Analytics. You go over there, you will be this will be helping us. Dhanasri, I think you are already working with digital marketing now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You improve yourself by moving towards the Google Analytics. So this is the upcoming
Yes.
trend in the market. If you are efficient in Google Analytics, surely you will be getting a very catchy what you call as a package in upcoming days. So the person who is working on Google Analytics like tools, you need to be nowadays. JavaScript is taken over by your Python programming. So people are now using Python programming also. But JavaScript is one of the efficient language as far as the bots and spiders are concerned. So if you are very much expert in JavaScript programming, or you are very much expert in your Python programming, scripting like programming, like your Perl programming, you have a Swift programming. Swift, I think everyone knows the Swift programming. So this type of programming is used for creating the application like bot. But basically 99% I can say that JavaScript is working. Trend might be changing. Upcoming days we will see Python as a one of the most important and precise language for bots and spiders. So continuously this programming is going for updations. Anything is new being added into your server is being searched by the search engine, and indexing is done with the help of this. I have also shared some problems with smart bots, because whenever we are working with the smart bots, because see, if you are using this bot automatically, if you are using this, suppose I am using some, I have created my website from in May, suppose 29th March, then in April it will be moving with the same sequence. It will not be search because your Google search engine will take some time for searching those keywords. It is not like that you have added and immediately it will be replicating. So there will be some time. So we call it a stereotype bot. Stereotype bots means auto generated, automatically it is been inhaled by your Google search engine. So the duration will be somewhat high. मार्च में हमने कोई सॉफ्टवेयर बना दिया उसको अपडेट कर दिया तो इट विल टेक सम टाइम. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट यू हैव अपडेटेड द वेबसाइट टुडे एंड टुमारो इट विल बी इंडेक्स्ड ऑटोमेटिकली. नो. So bot will be taking some time for searching those keywords, and then it for the purpose of indexing, some 2 months journey may take. So in this diagrammatic I have already shown that. So in March you have gone for the session, so you have done this in March, and you will see 1 month is required, probably 1 month or 15 days or more than 1 month is required for this to get initiating. यानी आपके हिट को ज़्यादा इंडेक्सिंग करके ऊपर लाने के लिए कुछ टाइम लग सकता है. दिस इज वन मोर ड्रॉबैक. एंड इफ यू आर जनरेटिंग, नाउ दिस इज ऑटो जनरेटेड. अब सी द बॉट एंड क्रॉलिंग इज लाइक दिस. बट if your user, if your website, if you're hashtagging anything and people are interacting with the news website, people are interacting with your website, so automatically you will see the graph will be moving within 15 days to something like 30% or 15%. Okay, so the more the interaction of the people, the more the human interaction, the more the human traffic, automatically the graph will be changing. But it is not with the stereotype. It is not with the bot. Bot will take a time for moving from your 0 to 10% or 5%. It will take a time. But this is the only drawback as far as the bot is concerned, as far as the current trend is concerned. But it is always expected. हर बार आपने देखा होगा कि लोग बोलते हैं कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो और शेयर करो. What is the basic intention behind this? Is the only intention that human generated traffic, if it is there, automatically you will find there is a drastic change in your traffic of your pages. That is the only intention. Okay, so is it clear to everybody now why there is need, why people say that हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो और शेयर करो? Yes, everyone is getting?
Yes, sir.
Rest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But Ishita, I think you have your channel also. Ishita, how many subscriber you have, Ishita?
Yes, sir.
How many subscriber you have?
Uh, I think 120.
Okay, and have you gone for the analysis of it? Analysis of it. How many? In our last few days, how many people have already enrolled into this? Yes, no idea. Okay, so I will put my
Yes,
YouTube.
sir, but I don't remember now.
Okay, so I will show you. Is it visible to everybody? Yes, my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever I am creating any videos, you have seen that we are on the I upload it on YouTube. So in just 5 minutes, I will show you how this Google Analytics is working for this one. So I'm logging into my account. This is my account. Okay, and here you will see this is a YouTube Studio. So I'm just clicking on it. Now see, I'm launching into studio.youtube.com. Okay, studio.youtube.com. This is the dashboard over where I upload my videos and all those things. So all trending videos will be what is exactly the how many % people has viewed. So this is my channel dashboard. Okay, and this you will see. One second, it is little bit slow, and you see there is a left hand side there is analytics. Okay, I just click on this analytics. And you will see in last 28 days 4 subscribers has added into me. Okay, so 116 views are there, and watch time, I can get the watch time. The people have gone for only 2% of hours, 2 hours. So we'll see the trending. So see, this is a trending going on. Okay, trending. You just click on watch time. It will also specify the graph कि वॉच टाइम कब ज़्यादा था हमारा, जनवरी से ज़्यादा था कब, अरे सब्सक्राइबर कब हमारे कैसे बढ़ चुके हैं इन लास्ट 4 days. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, एंड यू विल सी द ट्रोलिंग इमेजेस कि किसने इसको ज़्यादा व्यू किया है. सो सी, this is something view code as 77 people have watched, some videos some 6 people have watched, 4 people have watched. So everything is in front of you. You can see more also. So what all the videos which you have uploaded at everything, you will be getting into the format like this. So see, the screen is in front of you. Now I can get detailed information about the traffic source also. So traffic sources matlab kya कि from where my page has been accessed, whether it is on linking or all those things. So just click. So watch hours के you can filter it. So what all things is there. So traffic किस तरीके का है मेरे पास. Then geographically मेरे इसको किस location से लोगों ने access किया है. So we can go into matrix also. So see this. So see, from India, I can see this. This is in India. I have seen that maximum traffic is from India. Okay, so it has shown me the geographical location also. You can get the information age-wise also. So what age group the people are using my content? What is the exact age group of the people? Okay, so you will see this age group is like this: 13 to 17, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44. 45 to 54. So it is trending something. You will see this is 13 to 7. So some 5 years difference has been maintained. So 5 years wise, the aging is been maintained, and it will be showing us some record. So this is also there. You can get details of the gender wise also. So male, female, and how your details, your pages are being accessed or your videos are being accessed. So again, it is showing the male and female, and you can get some details over here. Okay, so date also, I can get a date wise information also. So how these people are using my pages, what all dates are there, whether traffic was high. So we'll get this. This is 11 people have access on 14th of December, and this is what we call as 6th of Jan. Some 2-3 days before, 14 people have accessed it, that videos. Okay, so this is trending, everything is getting same way. Subscription status also, so how people have gone for subscription. Maximum people 11 has subscribed on 14th of December, and this is not subscribed. This is 10 they have already subscribed. Some new is been traffic has added, some 4 has subscribed. Okay, so this is actually going on the subscription and non-subscription ratio. We are getting into this detail also. Now you will get the information like subscription sources also, so who have subscribed also. So just like from YouTube also, so from other channel also. So suppose I have shared it on a what we call as Telegram or something like I have shared it on a WhatsApp also. So from there also, if any people have subscribed my channel, that will be visualized in front of me. So is it clear to everybody? So it is analytics. Nowadays this is trending going on over as far as the analytics is concerned. People searching for everything. Okay, is it clear to everybody now? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in tomorrow's session will start for the day. Once again I want to share with you all is that from tomorrow I am expecting Dhanasri and your team, those who are working with this one, and Dhanasri, you have to speak in English now. You are professional now. You have to share the
Okay, sir.
content. You have to share the content. You need tomorrow. You be prepared with any website. I am expecting that you should start from the scrap. Okay, how to create a Facebook page and how to integrate with the Instagram. Okay, so this week we'll have a practical, and after your demo session we'll be continuing with the theory session also for chapter number 4. Hardly 2 chapters are remaining. It's not difficult for us to complete the syllabus on time, but I'm expecting the practical approach should be there from your side. Okay, is it clear to
Okay,
everybody?
sir.
Okay, Dhanasri, you asked